The alt attribute is a description added to HTML image tags. It serves as an alternative to the image when it doesn't load, helps visually impaired understand the image, and provides information to search engines. It's a common mistake to forget about the alt attribute. Search engines can't see images like humans do. They rely on this to understand the image. Write an accurate description of the image. It may be beneficial to add a keyword, but it must be done in a way that is relevant. Avoid generic descriptions like image. Keep it short. Most screen readers cut off at 125 characters, so keep it below this length. Add to all images, even if it's purely decorative. In these cases, you can use an empty alt attribute. This signals the image isn't important. For more tips, check out the SEO Dictionary.wiki.